Greetings, watch lovers. In this video, I'm going to try to open up the Pulsar I got in the spares or repairs watch lot. You may have seen it in the earlier video. Let's see if we can get it running. So let's get this band off. So we can open her up. Alright, let's see if we can get this case open without scratching it up more than it already is. Somebody's done some attempts here to open it. See how these lugs hopefully aren't too worn out here. Get this out. Pretty shallow. That's not good. Hopefully I can get it open anyway. So tight. Okay, here we go. All right. Not too bad. We're in business. Nice. Got a gasket peeking out there. Gasket might be a little stretched. Okay, let's see. This is different. I'm used to the Casios. Open this puppy up. looks like, what is that clipped in there? Unclip from that side. Or is it from this side? Let's find out. See if we can get that open. Oh, it's quite loose. Look at that. It's not even actually clipped in there. Huh. And we have 2016 Swiss made battery. Interesting. Let's get a fresh one in there. See if it'll work. All right, let's get this fresh 2016 battery. See if we can get this clip back on there. It's not clipped on very well. Let me open this. Oh, actually that clicked in there pretty nicely. All right, let's flip it over and see if there's any life. Oh yeah, look at that. There it is. We have a winner. Let's get the cover back on. Let's see, I have some trouble with this gasket because it's kind of stretched out. Can we get it to go in there? I'm gonna screw this on. All right, there we go. The gasket is in the case. Cool. Did not squeeze out. Recessed in that spot in the case. Oh. notches for the case back are pretty shallow. It should be good enough. See if the buttons work. I have a feeling the buttons might be stuck because it was, yeah. Oh, look at that. That one's working. Very cool. See if we can set it. So we got dual time, stopwatch. Oh, the beeper's working. There we go. Very cool. One of these we should be able to set it. This one is the setting mode. So you can't reset it. This gets it to the different times. Right. Cool. What is the date today? Gonna have to check. All right, it's 8/16. Wrong button. There's actually 12/16. Oh, set it back. Let's get that. Okay. And it actually is Sunday. All right. What's the alarm setting? Stopwatch. This must be timer. There we go, 1 minute. 59 seconds. All right. That is very cool. I really like how it has the functions on the top line and it keeps the time on the bottom. That's pretty neat. All right. Thanks for watching. Next thing, I'm going to polish this up a little. Put the band back on. It should be pretty awesome. Clean it up. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. And have a great day.